Like that from the nose. You're no help to me then, Sue. So you're no help to me.
Here we go.
She made it. That's what I want. I just want to stay on, you know.
Yeah, go along. This is good. You've got to get into that first fence, nice rhythm, and take your time.
Oh, Drat can't see the fence because of the trees in the way.
Over she goes. Number 2.
That's better than him nicking off. He'll pick up though. Yeah, exactly. He's got a nice rhythm there. My heart hasn't.
He's really relaxed too. Oh, look at him, he's just covering the ground beautifully. Must be strong, I can see. He doesn't look, he looks like he's just travelling out beautifully. Let him go, let him go.
Oh, sorry.
Hang on.
Breathe. I'm going to breathe for the next couple of minutes.
That didn't help.
No, don't have a kid.
No, I don't.
Look at that, mate.
Look at that.
This is the one that I'm
Textbook.
on. Oh,
Oh, how easy.
didn't need to worry.
You're not taking a wee bit to our place. Oh no. No, not long. He's just up there. Under the tree line. Yeah. Well up with you. How long he?
I'm so wobbly on this, I hope it's not all crap. It's so hard in the trees. I want to jump that log.
Flew over it. Oh, she's away. She's done it. She's still
Yay.
going. Last job.
She looks like a pro, she does, this
Yeah.
girl.
We need to take that tree down.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know, it got right in the way.
Shaking. Go.
Yeah,
take
mine's
it.
I keep...
Has she got one more? Oh,
That's
okay.
right. Yep. Now she's finished. See, she's
Yay.
Wow, my God. And he was calm.
He was good boy.